2026. The curtain lifts inside a silent, gleaming showroom where every corner is bathed in warm, white, ambient light. A giant breath of mechanical elegance stands before us, painted in a radiant red that doesn't just catch your eye, it locks it in place. This is the 2026 Volvo FH16, the crown jewel of long-haul trucking. It's not just a machine, it's a statement of precision, comfort, and sheer Scandinavian engineering dominance. The deep, lustrous red coat reflects the showroom lights like polished glass, highlighting every line, every contour, every aerodynamic curve designed to slice the air with grace and power. Step closer, and the massive grille draws you in. Volvo's signature iron mark sits proudly in the center, commanding attention. The blacked-out grille meshes perfectly with the body, its pattern resembling a fine metal lattice that both cools and intimidates. Just below, the bumper is sculpted and muscular, integrated with sensors and radar modules almost invisibly. Twin LED headlamps flank the front with razor-sharp definition. The signature V light strip burns with a steady white glow, giving the truck a face: bold, clear, and unmistakably Volvo. Walk around the side, and the massive 16-liter D16K engine's presence is echoed in the truck's posture. It doesn't crouch, it towers. The wheel arches are carved with precision, filled with chrome-finished wheels wrapped in Michelin X-Line energy tires that seem designed for war, not just work. The red body flows uninterrupted, with aerodynamic fins subtly molded into the rear of the cab, reducing drag and increasing fuel efficiency over long hauls. Every panel, every weld, every millimeter screams tight tolerance and obsession with quality. Climb the side steps, broad, ribbed, and illuminated at night, and open the driver's door. A soft hiss welcomes you into what might just be the most luxurious cabin in any truck on the road today. The red exterior is starkly contrasted by a cabin bathed in soft gray leather and high-grade black matte finishes. Ambient lighting glows in soft amber tones across the dashboard edges and underfoot. Everything is tailored not just for function, but for serenity. The seat hugs your body like a luxury SUV, yet it's built to survive millions of kilometers. It's air-suspended, memory-adjusted, heated, cooled, and perfectly positioned.